back in the shop with another interior lighting upgrade. This time we have the ultimate courtesy lights from Meso Customs. So on your Toyota, you have some lights on the very bottom of your doors. Those are gonna be your courtesy lights. The factory ones are pretty yellow and dim. We're gonna be replacing those with these dual color ones here from Meso Customs. They're gonna be a lot brighter, and you can switch them to red as well, which is a really cool feature. So these lights right here are gonna fit a variety of different Toyotas, 4Runners, Tacomas, Tundras, and Sequoias. Take a look at your vehicle. If you have a newer model Toyota and you have courtesy lights, more than likely these are gonna fit. So one nice thing that Meso Customs does with these lights is puts two different plugs on them. So for instance, the 4Runner and the 4th Gen Tacoma have two different plugs, but the same light fits both. So the installation of these lights from Meso is gonna be very simple. We're gonna give this a 1 out of 3 on the difficulty scale. And when it comes to tools, all you're really gonna need is a trim prying tool to get the lights out of your door panels. So before we go ahead and get into this install, I just want to mention these or anything else from Meso Customs is available at Yota Xpedition. Click the link down in the description. Let's go ahead and get these installed. So we have our lights, we have our trim prying tool. We're gonna go ahead and start here on the 4Runner. The install is gonna be pretty much exactly the same no matter what vehicle you're installing these on. All you need to do is determine which plug you need to use for the back of your light. So we have the door open here on the 4Runner, and you can see the factory halogen bulb is pretty dim and yellow. So we're gonna go ahead and get that swapped out. The new ones are gonna be LED, so it's gonna use less power as well. So say you have your doors open, you're camping and you wanna leave them on for a while, it's going to be a lot less drain on your battery than these factory halogen bulbs. So very simple, you're just gonna take your trim prying tool, put it in here, and it's pretty much just gonna pop right out. You can see right here is the clip that holds it into your door panel. And you just have a single plug. Just push in that clip, pull it out, and now we can plug in the new one. Let's go ahead and get our new ones opened up here. So right here we have our brand new light from Meso Customs. Around the outside, we're gonna have 18 white LEDs, and then in the center, we're gonna have 12 red LEDs. There's a button right here to switch it from white to red, and then flipping it over, you can see we have two different plugs here. All you need to do is line it up with the one that's on your vehicle and plug it in. So we have our new light plugged in. Now we just need to tuck the wires back in and get it snapped back into the door panel. Take note, when you took your factory one out, the clip was on this side, so the clip here on the new light is also gonna go back on that side. There's kind of a little hook here that's gonna get hooked into the back side of your door panel. So go ahead and put the wires in there. We'll hook that in and snap that into place. All right, so just like that, we have the new courtesy light installed from Meso Customs. In order to get that snapped in, you do have to give it a bit of force, a little bit more than what your factory one would have to be to get that installed. But now that it's installed, you can see it's much brighter and much more white than your factory yellow one. And the light has a nice angle down to the ground. Again, that button, easily press that, change it from white to red. So this will be nice at camp. Obviously, if you have a bright white light, bugs are gonna be attracted to that. So if you're in that situation, you can switch all of them to red and you won't have to worry about that. Plus it looks really cool too. All right, so with the driver door done, we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on the other 3 doors. Once we're finished with the 4Runner, we're gonna show you how to get the install done on a 4th Gen Tacoma. All right, 4Runner is done. We're over here at the 4th Gen Tacoma. It's gonna be the same exact install. Now, this Tacoma in particular only has the courtesy lights on the 2 front doors, none on the back. Your Tacoma may be different. That's where I wanna note this kit only comes in a set of 4. So if you have a Tacoma with only front ones, maybe you also have a buddy with a Tacoma that has front ones and you guys can split it, whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. Now, as you can see here on the new Tacoma, these are LED. But the new ones from Meso are gonna be brighter than this, and you also get the red function. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out anyway. So the light comes out just like it did on the 4Runner, but the plug is a different style. So we're gonna use the other plug here on the Meso light. Simple as that, plug and play, tuck in our wires, and snap this into place. As you saw on that install, I used the trim prying tool to push in a little bit on that clip, and it helped it go in much easier. All right, passenger door is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the last one on the driver's side for our 4th gen Tacoma, and then we'll catch back up. All right guys, we're finished up on the Tacoma and we are finished on the 4Runner. Install is going to be pretty much the exact same thing on a Tundra and Sequoia as well. If you like these courtesy lights from Meso Customs, Meso has a bunch of other lights that you can put into your Toyota as well. Dome lights, map lights. It's all available on YotaXpedition.com. Make sure to click the link down in the description. And now we're going to go ahead, shut the lights out, and see how bright these new lights are from Meso.